Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech and deals easy to navigate. Today, we're tackling a common query: how to redeem your Groupon voucher on the app in 2025. With Groupon's updates, this process is smoother than ever, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can start saving in minutes. First off, ensure you have the latest version of the Groupon app. Head to your phone's app store, search for Groupon, and update it if needed. This keeps everything running seamlessly. Once that's done, open the app and log in to your account. If you're new, sign up quickly using your email or social media. It's straightforward and secure. Now, let's get to the fun part. Tap on the menu icon, usually in the bottom right or top left, and select My Groupons or Vouchers. Here, you'll see a list of your active deals. Scroll through and pick the one you want to redeem. You'll get all the details, like the expiration date and usage instructions, so double-check those to avoid any surprises. For in-app redemption, if it's for an online purchase, add items to your cart and apply the voucher at checkout. It's as simple as tapping, apply code, and confirming. If it's for in-store use, generate the QR code or barcode directly in the app. Just hit the redeem button and show it to the merchant. Pro tip: make sure you're at a participating location and that the voucher hasn't expired. This saves you time and frustration. And just like that, you're all set. You've redeemed your voucher and unlocked those sweet savings. If you run into any issues, Groupon's help section in the app is a great resource. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tips on deals and apps. See you in the next video.